Hi, this is Hector from Lastpass. So, yes, we have had several bank websites that are um, either some are not filling up all the information like they used to or they have to, or some others will be just filling up the information that they're where, for example, that maybe you're trying to make a payment or you're trying to do something different, then it fills up your name or your email, for example, instead of your personal name, for say. So this is what we can do. There's two things that you can do, and there is one thing that might help you. So the first one is I'm gonna go to one of my banks. So I have from my um, country, I use this bank. They have three things that we need to fill up. So I'm going to fill this up just with some random information. I'm going to type in my name. This is like user and then password. So I'm just going to type whatever. And normally I would just click on start the session, and then LastPass will say, "Do you want to add this site?" But if I know that this is the correct information that I have already typed in right here, and what I normally do is that you can just go ahead and add an item. You can either put password or you can choose whatever you want to. My recommendation for this type of passwords that you're having the trouble with is to use the last option where it says save all data, all entered data. Okay, so in this case, you'll have three entries, not just the username and the password, or the username and the password, but this extra option that it's we filled up. That will help you that whenever you go to a different place in that same bank, it's not going to fill up your this information. But let's say if it does, so what you need to do is just well, it shouldn't because you did it this way, not the other way. And then but if you want to use this information as well on the other site, let's say this is a form fill where it's asking you to type in all the information. It's asking for an extra code right here, and then maybe a secondary user. So I'm just typing in the user, then just click on save. I'm not gonna put this right here because it's I don't know where it's gonna put it in that site. So whenever I click save, if I go to the site, it's already there as a one detected one password saved on this site. So I hope this works for you and that it helps you. So if you're having problems that it's filling up your 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 username on a place that it's not supposed to inside your bank's website, I recommend you to uh, first get copy all your information like your username, the password, and if you have any extra fields to copy all those information, and delete the site. So let's say I delete this site. I'm just gonna refresh right now because it's not pulling it up right here. So I go to account options. Sometimes you don't see account options, maybe you see more options or the email with a drop down icon here. So and then click on advanced, and advanced we're gonna click on clear local cache. I'm gonna refresh sites as well and refresh sites. And I'm just going to refresh this site as well. So if you see, I have my bank's website right here. So what you need to first is go ahead and copy your information right here, this information. Afterwards, you just delete this bank or the information here, and then once you get to your original bank site, just click on the extension, um, add item, and then add save all entered data. So hopefully this works for you, and then click on save. Hopefully this works for you, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hope you have a wonderful day.